In this video, we'll be walking through how to share a Google Calendar. There are a couple options when sharing. You can either share all the nitty-gritty details, including the title, event description, who you're meeting with, or you can just share limited access, so when you are free and busy. So let's get started. To share your Google Calendar, first go to calendar.google.com and it'll take you to your own calendar page here. Mine's set in a month view, so you can see a week view, so you can see everything that's going on for the week. To share this with another person, click over here where it says My Calendars and use the three buttons to the right-hand side. And then go to Setting and Sharing. So here now we go into our calendar settings. We get the name of the calendar, description, the time zone. You have a couple other interesting things here. Whether you want to automatically accept invitations, you can always go through that and make some edits. But what we want to go down to is access permissions. In my case, I just want to share it with specific people. So I'm going to click here on Add People. And then I'm going to share it with a specific email address. So I'll enter in the email address here. And then you can change permissions as well. So do you want them to only see when you're free and busy? Do you want them to see the event details? Do you want them to be able to make changes? In this case, I just want this person to only see when I'm free or busy. Let's not give them too much information. So I'm going to do that, click send, and it'll send that user, it'll send that user an invitation. If they're a Gmail user, you won't have this pop up, but it'll send them an email invitation letting them know that you've shared your calendar. And that's it. That's sharing a Google Calendar with another user.